In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add transitions to your video clips in Shotcut. I'm going to be using image clips, so I'm going to bring this one down, drop it into the timeline. I'm going to stretch it out a little bit. And I'm going to get rid of these black bars, first of all, by going to filters, either down here or up here. Going to the plus button and typing in size, position, rotate. Once you're there, you're going to see the zoom bar at 100%, and we need it to be at 120%. Once you do that, just copy this filter by clicking on this button here, copy check filters. Then I'm going to bring down 3 more images all at the same time. I'm going to select the first one of the group. I'm going to hold shift and click on the last one of the group. Just drag and drop it into the timeline. Once it's there, I'm going to select them all again, and I'm going to right click and apply copied filters right here. Just click on that. That's going to remove the black bars from all these new images you just brought in. So the first transition I'm going to show you is the simple one. You just put your clip right next to the other one. Make sure you have your magnet icon enabled right here to make it easy for the clips to just snap into place nicely. And on the top of the clips, on the top corners, there's a little black circle. You can just grab it and drag it to the side a bit. Do the same thing with the other one to the opposite way, and when you play it back, it's got this transition. We've all seen that one before. Let me get rid of the circles. So the other transition is going to be grabbing the clip from the right side and dragging it up and over the clip on the left side like this. Just letting it go there. This one's going to give you a dissolve transition. Let's check it out. There it is. One more time. Okay, and if you don't like that transition, just click on this transition area here where there's 4 triangles are. Just right click to it, right click on it, hit properties, and here you'll see a whole bunch of different transitions you can use. Let's try bar horizontal. And it shows you a little preview screen here on the right side. This is what it looks like. It's coming in from left to right, but if you click here where it says invert wipe, now the line's going to come in from the opposite way. And if you reduce the softness, let's reduce it all the way to 1%, the line is going to be really thin, like that. And if we go the opposite way, so even with one transition, you can just make it look different if you want. Let's try the other ones. Barn door horizontal. Let's invert that one, see what it looks like. So just play with these. You'll find one that you prefer to use mostly. The one I like to use is the iris circle. I don't know why I like it, but it's pretty cool. And of course, if you want to reduce the duration of the transition effect, just make this box a little bit shorter, a little bit smaller, and it'll look like this. So you can control the duration of the transition too. Let's try some more. Matrix snake horizontal. I don't really like the matrix ones, but maybe you'll like them. How about barn V up? That one's cool. Box bottom left. Let's invert that one, see what it looks like. And finally the clock top. So that's how you use transitions in Shotcut. Thanks for watching.